In this video, we listed the 5 best firewood racks that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Woodhaven 5-foot Black. This firewood rack is a robust storage solution made from alloy steel, designed for durability and longevity with a lifetime structural warranty. Its dimensions measure 14 inches in depth, 60 inches in width, and 48 inches in height, making it spacious for storing firewood either outdoors or in most garages. The rack features a sleek black powder coat finish that withstands various weather conditions, enhancing its professional appearance. It includes a waterproof seasoning cover to protect the wood while allowing for proper drying and seasoning. Assembly is straightforward with self-locking nuts and bolts provided, and the rack is noted for its strong construction, hand arc welded by experts. Proudly made in the USA by the Alexander family since 1927, this rack combines practical functionality with American craftsmanship. Number 2. Patio Watcher Folding Firewood Rack. The Patio Watcher firewood log bin is crafted from durable alloy steel with a black powder-coated finish, ensuring longevity and resistance to the elements. It features one shelf and is designed for use in patio settings. Measuring 20 inches in length, 13 inches in width, and 13 inches in height, the rack accommodates small firewood, supported by a 3.5-inch raised base that facilitates airflow to keep wood dry. Its sturdy construction, with 1.2 mm thick tube walls and 10 mm diameter steel pipes, enhances durability compared to standard racks. The design is both functional and attractive, requiring no assembly and offering portability without sacrificing stability. Ideal for organizing firewood indoors by the fireplace or outdoors in backyard settings, it effectively protects firewood from moisture and decay while complementing cozy evenings around the fire with family and friends. Number 3. Sunnydays Firewood Log Rack. The Sunnydays Decor Fireplace Log Rack is crafted from durable alloy steel with a bronze finish, ensuring it is both sturdy and weather-resistant. It features dimensions of 33 inches wide, 13 inches deep, and 30.5 inches high, making it ideal for placement next to indoor fireplaces or outdoor fire pits. The rack includes a wood shelf and comes with a removable, adjustable kindling holder for added convenience. It boasts easy assembly straight out of the box and can hold up to a 1/4 face cord of firewood. Backed by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, it combines practicality with high-quality construction for worry-free use. Number 4. Amigabelli Garden Firewood Rack. This alloy steel-ash bucket with a brown finish and wooden shelf type is designed for kitchen use, featuring a durable build with a secure lid. The bucket measures 13 inches high, 10 inches long, and 7 inches wide, ensuring stability and safety during ash transport. It includes a wooden handle for heat protection, a raised double bottom for easy handling of ashes, and a flame-retardant coating to handle hot embers without risk of burning. Suitable for indoor and outdoor use, this rust-proof bucket is ideal for fireplaces, stoves, grills, and camping, promising durability and practicality with attentive customer care. Number 5. Sunnydays Outdoor Firewood Log Rack. The alloy steel log rack from Sunnydays Decor offers a robust solution for storing firewood outdoors. Designed to hold up to half a face cord, it measures 48 inches wide, 13.5 inches deep, and 49 inches high, weighing 16 pounds. The rack is constructed from sturdy 30 mm diameter tubular steel with a durable 1 mm thick metal frame, featuring a black powder-coated finish for enhanced durability and weather resistance. It includes all necessary assembly hardware and features a weather-resistant PVC-coated cover with toggle straps and hook and loop fasteners to protect firewood from rain, wind, and snow. Sunnydays Decor supports this product with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, ensuring worry-free purchase and use.